What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we're going to be reacting to Caredge. They have amazing tips. Go subscribe to their channel. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Zach's dad is actually a former car salesman, so he's giving you information from his experience. He's not just making this stuff up or telling you stuff that somebody told him. So I ain't gonna do too much more talking. Let's get right to it.
How much cash down you're giving, or what you want your monthly payment to be, or even what you want for your trade-in, you're doomed. Okay.
Yep.
5 questions you should never answer when you're buying a car. Number 1, Mr. Shefska, I'm so excited that you're interested in that Toyota RAV4. I need to know, what's your monthly payment goal? Where do you want to be on that monthly payment?
Well, not a problem, Zach, but truth be told, what I'm really interested in is what is the out-the-door price of that vehicle. Once we establish that, then, hey, be more than happy to work with you on the other.
Out the door. But everyone has a monthly budget. Even Bill Gates and Warren Buffett have a monthly budget. Don't you have a monthly number you're trying to meet?
What I'm trying to meet is the best out the door number that I can get for that vehicle. I want to know, let's just suppose for a second that I was going to write a check for the vehicle. I'm not saying I am. I'm not saying I'm not. But if I wanted to, I want to know what that check needs to be. So
See, that's what I stress on this channel all the time. Do not worry about the monthly payment. Negotiate the out-the-door price. That way you're getting all the fees, the taxes, everything. That's what you want to talk about. Dealerships can structure deals to get a monthly payment to whatever you say. So if you tell them, I want $500 a month, they can structure the deal to give you that payment.
You need to know the total price of the vehicle, including all taxes, fees, rebates, everything. What that check is, I would need to write. So I need the out-the-door number first.
All right, let me go talk to my manager.
Not a problem.
You need to know, my manager's asking for it. How much cash down are you going to put when we get to penciling the numbers here? How much cash down?
Well, I haven't determined exactly how much cash down I'm going to put. That was something I would be more than willing to discuss with the finance manager. What difference does it make how much I want to put down?
See, he's right. The salesman has nothing to do with the financing. So you might as well just say that for when you go in the back to actually discuss the financing part. That's why I never tell them what I'm going to put down. If I'm going to put any money down, I always act like I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. That's always my answer.
You have thought about putting some money down, right? Like maybe $1,000, $2,000. Banks nowadays, they really look for participation from borrowers. And I guess that actually even leads me to my other question, Mr. Shefska. Do you plan to finance this purchase? Or are you thinking about leasing the vehicle? You mentioned writing a check earlier. You're going to write a check for it? So help me understand.
Well, I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to pay for it. I think I've taken leasing off the table. I very well might be willing to finance it if the terms are agreeable. Yep. Once we agree on the out-the-door number, then I would be more than happy if you have the ability to discuss those payments with me.
All right, Mr. Shefska, I understand it. You're really fixated on that out-the-door price. You're not going to tell me how you're purchasing the vehicle. You're not going to tell me the cash down. I get it. I absolutely get it. But my manager makes me ask this question to every single customer. I need to know. I saw you drove in here in that old Toyota. Is that your trade-in? You traded in a vehicle?
I haven't decided if I'm trading it in or not. My neighbor's daughter's just graduating from high school, and I don't know. They've had their eye on that car for the longest period of time. So I might talk to Bill and see if he wants to get that for his daughter. But hey, if it could help me, the possibility exists that maybe I would.
See, that's how you handle that. That is so true. I never tell them if I'm going to trade a car in or not. I wait till the end. Once I get the out-the-door price, then I'm like, oh, well, you know what? I decided I want to trade this car in. That way they don't try to play with the numbers. I'm telling you, if you give too much information in the beginning, they will structure these deals where they benefit. You understand what I'm saying? So you got to withhold information. You can't just go in there and just spill your guts out to these people. Because like I always tell you guys on this channel, they aren't your friends. They would treat you nice and they would, shake your hand, offer you water and all this stuff. They just buttering you up. It's not personal. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that they hate you, but trust me, they trying to make the most money they can. And the more information you give, he's going to take all that back to his manager, and they're going to try to structure that deal where they can benefit. So you leave out your trade. Don't tell them if you're going to lease or finance. Don't tell them any of that information. All they need to know is, hey, look, I like this car. What's the out-the-door price, taxes, and fees? I don't know if I'm financing. I don't know if I'm leasing. I'm not sure if I'm putting any money down yet. I don't know if I'm trading in a car. That's how you deal with that.
If Bill decides it's not the right car for his daughter, which I'm pretty sure he won't, but if he did, um, you know, we just need to treat the trade as a completely separate transaction.
Yep.
You need to do a good job of selling me your car, and then, well, it's up to me to do an even better job of selling you mine.
Wow. Okay. All right. I mean, there is a sales tax basis benefit if you do have a trade in, but I guess we can cross that bridge when we get there. I hear you loud and clear. I got to sell you my car. You're going to sell me your car potentially if Bill's daughter doesn't want it. I heard you right. Okay. Thank you.
Not a problem. Just so we're on the same page, I want to buy something, and apparently you have an interest in buying something of mine.
All right. You are a tough negotiator, Ray, but thank you for getting this deal done. I need to show you now, most customers here at Gotcha Toyota, they end up purchasing our Platinum plan, okay? Our Platinum plan is only about $50 extra a month, and it gives you an extended warranty, takes care of maintenance. It's got paint and fabric protection as well. And like I said, it's just $50 extra a month. All you got to do is initial right here, and we'll get you set up with the Platinum plan for your new RAV4.
Ooh.
See, I hate that, and I hate to keep stopping this, guys, but I have to make comments. That's just a part of how this YouTube thing works. They always say they need you to sign something. I'm not signing anything. Do not sign that paper. They be like, get your signature right here, and then I'll take it back to you. You don't need a signature for nothing until everything is final. And I'm in the back with the finance person signing the paperwork. You don't have to sign that stupid paper they throw in front of you when y'all just working numbers. It's pointless. They don't even use it for anything. So never sign that paper. I don't care how much they stress. This is a part of our procedure. It doesn't matter. It's not required by law for you to sign that paper. Trust me.
I like platinum. Platinum's nice. Gold's nice. Bronze could even be nice. But what I need to know, Zach, is what's the actual cost of each one of those items that will make up the platinum plan. Perhaps, maybe I only want an extended warranty. How much is the extended warranty? Or maybe I only want the paint and fabric protection. How much is just that? And I don't mean how much does it add to the payment. How much are you charging me for each one of those items?
I can get it at $45 a month. Would you like to move forward at $45 a month for the platinum plan? I hear you, but I can get you that discount. You in?
Well, you still haven't told me the price of each individual item. Right. So until you do, I guess I'm not. If it's that old saying, Zach, you scratch my back, perhaps I'll scratch yours, but you ain't scratching nothing yet.
Right. A couple things, guys. The main thing is monthly payment. Never negotiate the monthly payment because, like I said, they'll structure the deal where they'll make more money. And yes, you might have your monthly payment you wanted, but you probably will overpay for the vehicle long term. So never tell them a certain monthly payment because they're going to get you. And another main thing I wanted to talk about was the extended warranty, all these extra packages and add-ons that they put on the deal sheet. First of all, you need to know exactly how much each individual thing costs. For instance, if they say, hey, it has window tint already on it, it has PPF, some kind of paint protection, they'll say, hey, we'll give it to you. It's only going to add an extra $5 to your payment. But if you look at it individually, that paint protection may be $3,000. And then the window tint might be $900. Now, daggone well, a window tint is not $900, especially if it's for a regular little car. Now, some places do charge extra for certain type of tint, but most tint doesn't cost $900. So make sure you're not overpaying for that stuff. If you agree to that $10 a month extra on your payment, but when you look at your final price that you're financing, it's probably going to be like $2,000 or $3,000 more than it was before. You're like, wait a minute, it was only $10 more on my monthly payment, but the out the door price is $4,000 or $5,000 more than what it was a few minutes ago. And that's how they get most people, because most people just focus on monthly payment. And if you're buying a brand new car, 9 times out of 10, you don't need an extended warranty. You already have a 3-year, 36,000 miles, some is 50,000 mile warranty right off the break from the manufacturer. So you don't need an extended warranty. As long as you buy the extended warranty before your factory warranty expires, you can get it for a really good price. So that's the stuff you got to be aware of, guys, because if you're not, these dealerships will get over on you. And another thing with the trade I wanted to talk about is Leave that for the end, because they'll play with the numbers with your trade in. Trust me. You can go on CarMax, you can go on all types of different websites and get an estimate of what your trade in is worth. That way you have some idea of what your car is worth. Because other than that, they're going to lowball the heck out of you with your trade. Trust me, they are not going to try. They want to they want to pay the least amount for your trade so they can profit off of it. So those are some things I just wanted to get out there, guys, because I know a lot of people about to go buy some cars, and I've been getting some emails, and people have been asking me like, "What should I say? What shouldn't I say? How does this work? How does that work?" So I hope this helped a lot of you guys out. If you're new to my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe, and like I said, go subscribe to Car Edge. They got a lot of good information, and I'll probably do some more reaction videos to some of their content, and hopefully we can learn something from them guys. So hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.